Okay, so this is a problem here. We got this awning, and it makes a terrible noise when it goes back. Okay, you can put it back. And it goes bling a bling. It's very disconcerting. It happens right here. Whoa! Whoa, Nelly. Before I open it back up, I need to make marks where I'm going to put this foam. So all I did was just pull tie up some pieces of foam that was out of some packing material. And let's see if this helped that terrible noise. Oh my gosh, that was awful. Anticipation. A little better. Okay, I think that was a lot better, metal slamming into metal. So I used these real heavy duty, not a sponsor, real heavy duty ones. I don't know what part number is, don't matter. Just cable ties. Those are good to 100 something, I don't know. And they're UL listed. So I think that's probably about as good as that's gonna get. So there's that thing that I powder coated. Hardest powder coating thing I ever did. And boy, that really looks nice. So, okay, just kind of finishing up on, well, that's where it ended up.